Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and tapping on those three dots located on the left of brightness slider. Then tap on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to enable or disable it. And when you finished, save your changes by hitting done at the bottom. You can also go into settings, scroll down and click on display. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!